Hi there. Welcome to the Herbal Cure. Today's topic is all about apple cider vinegar, a popular health supplement that has been used for centuries. In this video, we'll be discussing its benefits, how it's made, and how to use it. So, let's get started. What is apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is made from crushed apples that have been fermented with yeast and bacteria. This process converts the natural sugar in the apples into acetic acid, which gives apple cider vinegar its sour taste and numerous health advantages. Apple cider vinegar has been used for generations as a natural cure for many different types of diseases. Some of the benefits are as follows: lowering blood sugar levels, reducing cholesterol levels, fighting off harmful bacteria, promoting weight loss, boosting gut health, and improving skin health. Let's start with lowering blood sugar levels. Apple cider vinegar has been found to have several mechanisms that help lower blood sugar levels. 1. Improved insulin sensitivity. ACV has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which means that cells are better able to respond to insulin and take up glucose from the bloodstream. This helps to lower blood sugar levels. 2. Slower digestion. ACV can slow the digestion of carbohydrates, which means that glucose is released into the bloodstream more slowly. This helps to prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. 3. Increased glucose uptake. ACV has been found to increase the uptake of glucose by cells, which means that more glucose is removed from the bloodstream. 4. Inhibition of carbohydrate digesting enzymes. ACV contains acetic acid, which can inhibit the activity of enzymes that break down carbohydrates. This means that fewer carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, which helps to lower blood sugar levels. Overall, apple cider vinegar can be a helpful addition to a diabetes management plan, but it should be used in moderation and in consultation with a healthcare provider. Next will be promoting weight loss. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is believed to aid weight loss in several ways. It may help suppress appetite. ACV contains acetic acid, which has been found to reduce appetite and increase feelings of fullness. This can lead to a decrease in calorie intake and ultimately result in weight loss. It may promote fat burning. ACV has been found to increase the production of enzymes that help break down fat. This can lead to an increase in fat burning and ultimately result in weight loss. It may aid digestion. ACV is known to improve digestion by increasing the production of stomach acid and enzymes. This can help prevent bloating and indigestion, which can lead to weight gain. It may help regulate blood sugar levels. ACV has been found to improve insulin sensitivity, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. This can prevent spikes in blood sugar that can lead to cravings and overeating. Overall, while ACV may not be a magic solution for weight loss, incorporating it into a healthy diet and exercise regimen may provide some benefits. Reducing cholesterol levels. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which has been shown to reduce cholesterol levels in several studies. Acetic acid helps to block the enzymes responsible for producing cholesterol in the liver, leading to a decrease in the amount of cholesterol produced. Some studies have found that apple cider vinegar can help lower cholesterol levels. It may lower cholesterol by restricting the body's absorption of dietary cholesterol and raising the production of bile, which aids in the breakdown of dietary fat. Apple cider vinegar may also aid in the removal of excess cholesterol and triglycerides by stimulating the liver to create enzymes that break down and eliminate these compounds from the body. Furthermore, apple cider vinegar includes acetic acid, which may help lower the oxidation of bad LDL cholesterol while increasing the creation of good HDL cholesterol. Boosting gut health. Apple cider vinegar also helps to support better digestion. It can help to break down proteins and fats in the gut, which increases the absorption of nutrients, and can also help to reduce bloating and indigestion. The vinegar's antiseptic properties also help to fight off any bad bacteria in the gut. Finally, it can help to increase the amount of beneficial bacteria, which can help to boost the immune system and improve overall gut health. Fighting off harmful bacteria. Acetic acid, which is found in apple cider vinegar, has antimicrobial characteristics. When ingested, the acetic acid in apple cider vinegar can assist to eliminate unwanted bacteria in the digestive tract, preventing infection or disease. Improving skin health. Apple cider vinegar contains antiseptic and antibacterial qualities that can enhance skin health by minimizing acne outbreaks, normalizing skin pH, and reducing redness and irritation. It can also be used as a toner on the skin to help remove excess oil, dirt, and bacteria. Its slight acidity can also help exfoliate the skin and remove dead skin cells, revealing brighter and healthier looking skin. How to use apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can be used in many different ways. Here are a few. 1. Drink it as a tonic. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with water and drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. 2. Use it as a salad dressing. Mix apple cider vinegar with olive oil, salt, pepper, and any other seasonings you like to create a healthy and flavorful salad dressing. 3. Use it in cooking. Use apple cider vinegar as an acidic ingredient in recipes like marinades, sauces, and soups. 4. Use it for hair care. Mix apple cider vinegar with water and use it as a hair rinse to remove product buildup and balance pH levels. 5. Use it as a facial toner. Mix apple cider vinegar with water and use it as a natural toner to balance the skin's pH, reduce acne, and improve overall skin health. 6. Use it for weight loss. Drinking apple cider vinegar before meals can help reduce appetite and aid in weight loss. 7. Use it for oral health. Mix apple cider vinegar with water and use it as a natural mouthwash to kill bacteria and freshen breath. Or use it for sore throat relief. Gargling with apple cider vinegar mixed with warm water can help soothe a sore throat. 8. Use it for preserving food. Use apple cider vinegar as a natural preservative to pickle vegetables or fruits. 9. Use it for digestion. Drinking diluted apple cider vinegar can help improve digestion and reduce bloating. Precautions and side effects. While apple cider vinegar has many benefits, it's important to use it in moderation. Consuming too much can lead to negative side effects such as stomach upset and erosion of tooth enamel. It's also wise to dilute it with water before consuming or applying topically. Applying undiluted apple cider vinegar directly to the skin can cause irritation, redness, and even burns. Regular consumption of apple cider vinegar can lower potassium levels in the body, leading to fatigue, muscle weakness, and abnormal heart rhythms. Consuming apple cider vinegar before a meal can delay stomach emptying, leading to increased feelings of fullness and reduced appetite. However, this effect can be harmful for people with gastroparesis, a condition that causes delayed stomach emptying. So there you have it, the amazing benefits of apple cider vinegar and how to use it. Remember to use it in moderation and always dilute with water. I hope you found this video informative and interesting. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness videos.